If you're anything like me, you're probably still running on the fumes of excitement from the last couple of days. And why not? We've had some incredible keynotes, amazing announcements. We've had some cutting edge technology on display. We had the SUSE band play last evening. That was awesome. But yeah, I was waiting. Thank you. When I was asked to give this keynote, I was genuinely thrilled. And then I started thinking, all right, what can I do to grab some attention quickly? How can I make this opening somewhat funny, somewhat witty? I thought, okay, that should be easy. Let me just fire up my AI assistant, do some smart prompting, and I'll knock it out of the park. Spoiler alert, it wasn't easy. I've stared at a blank page for longer than I care to admit. I've prompted different language models, wrestled with joke structures, chatted with a lot of assistants. And let me tell you this, I genuinely believe that AI is incredible in doing a lot of things, but it's definitely not turning me into a comedic genius. Nope, not happening. Okay, that landed better than I thought. So, good. But here's the thing. What I can do is I can share an insightful and hopefully engaging look at the future of SUSE AI. So bear with me on the humor front, and let's delve into the brilliance of what SUSE has to offer in the world of AI. Shall we? Now, yesterday, Pete Smales shared with you how SUSE can help you at every step of the way on your cloud-native journey. With SUSE Rancher Prime, you have a platform to manage all of your cloud-native workloads. And now that you have embarked on that journey, how do you ensure that you are moving fast, that you are the best in class in your industry? How do you ensure that your customers are getting those amazing experiences that they deserve? How do you ensure that you are winning? And there is nothing more transformational than AI in today's day and age to help you win. And we at SUSE truly believe that the true power of AI can only be unlocked with a robust, flexible, and secure platform. Our vision is clear: to be the platform of choice for your AI applications. We are talking about empowering you to build, deploy, manage all of your cloud-native workloads seamlessly, efficiently, securely, regardless of where they are running, in the cloud, in the data center, even in air-gapped environments. We are committed to providing you the foundation that fuels your AI innovation. But as we stand on the cusp of this new era, we as an industry are faced with a critical dilemma. We need AI solutions that are not only powerful, but also enterprise-grade and trustworthy. Because as you embark on this journey of transformation with AI, you will be confronted with a plethora of challenges. And Rick just talked about a lot of those. When you move from POC environments to production environments, what are the investment priorities that you need to think about for 2025? And this is where SUSE comes into the picture, as your trusted partner to help you navigate some of those challenges. And I'm here to show you how. So let's begin. Now, the world of AI is rapidly evolving. New tools, technologies, frameworks, they're coming out every other day. I mean, what is relevant today may not be so relevant 6 months from now. In this scenario, your teams are grappling with this gamut of tools and technologies that are constantly changing, constantly updating. So how do you ensure that they have the choice to select the most innovative projects that power your innovation, while at the same time, you get the assurance that these projects are ready for enterprise-grade consumption at scale? And this is where SUSE AI's libraries, curated components come into play. I'm excited to share that we are expanding the SUSE AI library so that you get a library of curated, validated open source projects, trusted components built via SUSE's secure supply chain. Think of stuff like Open Web UI pipelines to power your agentic AI workflows, or an ML flow to power your entire ML lifecycle. SUSE is investing in curating and validating these technologies so that you can fast-track your innovation efforts. And we're not stopping there. We're also providing you the blueprints to implement these technologies, step-by-step implementation guides, so that you can fast-track your time to value with your investments. But you need more from SUSE, don't you? All of our organizations, they're faced with, we have these complex, multi-step business processes that involve human-level intervention and reasoning from time to time. Just think about it. Think of those processes in your organization, those intricate sequence of actions, step by step, that involve data analysis at some point, decision-making at another point, your human reasoning at some other point. Such processes are ripe with inefficiencies. They hinder your organization's ability to move fast. And this is where AI agents come into play. Remember what Rick was talking about 10 minutes ago? Think of a scenario, let's say in healthcare, where an AI agent you're talking to, an application, can help you diagnose an illness. It can ask you intelligent follow-up questions depending on what your responses are. Based on your responses, it can understand and identify the possible conditions. And based on the same, it can help you book a doctor's appointment on your behalf, basically fast-tracking your availability and your ability to get a specialist appointment in a fast manner. That's just one example. Such workflows where multiple AI agents get connected together to solve complex business problems unlock an unprecedented level of operational efficiency and automation for your organization. And today, I am thrilled to announce that SUSE now enables the secure implementation of agentic AI workflows. Not only will we provide you the tools to build these workflows, but again, we'll provide you the blueprints to implement that in your environments. Again, fast-tracking your time to value and your time to innovation. Interested? Eager to learn more? Scan this QR code and let us show you how. We are introducing a blueprint for Langflow to jumpstart your journey. And because we believe choice is key, we're also offering you Open Web UI pipelines as part of our library, another powerful option to build these complex workflows. But you need more from SUSE, don't you? We at SUSE also recognize that the privacy and security of your enterprise data is of paramount importance to you. And as you scale these GenAI implementations, you're also concerned about the accuracy of the output that you get from these applications. Think of a scenario where you have implemented an AI assistant in your company. How do you ensure that the answers that that assistant is giving you, they're not biased? How do you ensure that they're not violating your company's brand guidelines or any of the corporate policies that you have in place? That is a scenario where guardrails comes into place. Guardrails as a technology is basically what the name suggests. It prevents any unintended behavior on part of these applications. They're like an autopilot system, helping your planes stay on course. And that's another area that SUSE is doubling down on with SUSE AI. We're not, just to be clear, we're not implementing autopilot systems, but we are committed to ensure that you get AI you can trust. And to that end, I'm again excited to announce a couple of things. One, we are enabling you to build guardrails technology in your environments by providing you the right blueprints to do so with SUSE AI, ensuring you have controlled LLM interaction in your organization. And number two, we are announcing a partnership with Infosys to integrate Infosys responsible AI guardrails with SUSE AI. With this partnership, not only do our customers get access to the guardrails framework, but our joint customers also get access to Infosys industry AI models, Gen AI applications, agentic AI workflows specific to your specific business needs. So there's a lot in store. Yeah. Now, going back to what Rick was talking about a while ago regarding costs. As you're doing all of this, your costs add on, they pile up, especially as you're moving from small scale POC environments to large production deployments. These costs start becoming prohibitive. So, you as an organization, you must ensure that your applications, your language models, they are performing at their peak, that your compute, your hardware, it's fully utilized. You must ensure that your investments are fully leveraged. But before you do any of that, what is even more important is that you have visibility into the health and status of your AI infrastructure. Because here's the thing, you cannot fix what you cannot see. And to that end, I'm delighted to announce the launch of SUSE Observability for AI. We offer you real-time visibility into token usage, into LLM performance, drift, latency, into the utilization of your expensive GPUs, into the response time of your applications. Your teams gain insights into which apps and users are driving your costs. And not just that, you can visualize your entire application landscape and understand the interdependencies between the apps and the language models and how they're interacting and how that's impacting your business. And that is the visibility and control we are offering you with SUSE AI. So let's recap this a bit. SUSE AI is helping you deliver groundbreaking innovation at scale. The AI landscape is rapidly evolving. You have to keep up with the pace of innovation in a safe and trusted manner. We offer you the SUSE AI library with the curated components to do that. Then we take that one step further and offer you specific blueprints to implement those components in your environments, fast-tracking your time to value. To add to that, we empower your teams to focus on high-value activities by automating the repetitive tasks with agentic AI. Then we lock down that entire environment with SUSE AI security, ensuring that you have complete trust that your private, confidential enterprise data stays within your control. In addition to that, we also provide you the guardrails to ensure that you're doing all of this in a safe, trusted, and responsible manner. And while you're doing all of that, with SUSE AI Observability, you have complete control and visibility into your AI environment, so you can maximize your performance and resource utilization. And you put all of that together, and you have a complete platform to deploy and run your GenAI applications, and that is what SUSE AI brings to the table. Isn't that amazing? I sure think it is. I sure think it is. Now, on day one, Nicole said something that really stuck with me, that resonates with me at a personal level. She said, nothing of significance is ever accomplished alone. And we at SUSE, we fully recognize that organizations need a trusted partner at every step of the way on their AI journey. And this is such a diverse, fast-moving market landscape. The reality is that no one technology provider can address all your challenges. We at SUSE, we are fully committed to tap into the power of our global partner ecosystem to help you address these challenges. And to that end, I'm delighted to announce that we are launching a complete enterprise AI infrastructure solution with our long-standing partners, Infosys and HPE. And this solution will bring together SUSE AI with best-in-class system integration capabilities from Infosys and hardware from HPE. The combined power of these services will offer our mutual customers everything they need to build, deploy, and scale AI application for their specific business needs. So hopefully, we've not given you too much jargon today. We've given you the right tools and the insights to drive your AI implementation. Here is what I'll leave you with. 8 months ago, we announced our vision with SUSE AI. 4 months ago, we delivered on our promise and launched that solution. And we've been consistently listening to you to understand the challenges you are facing in your AI environments to help you innovate in a safe, ethical, and responsible manner. And we're not doing this alone. We are leveraging the power of our ecosystem to deliver end-to-end solutions that meet your specific business needs. Because let's be clear, the future demands AI innovation. And with SUSE AI, you're not just prepared for it, you are leading the charge. So go forth, be pioneers, be creators, and let's build an AI-powered future that's both safe and trustworthy. We are ready. Are you? That's my time, folks. Thank you. Have a great SUSE.